Hello everyone, this video is about if statement and IfElse statement. So the if statement and the IfElse statement we basically use for making a decision in between various conditions available. And here let's see the if statement, the syntax of if statement and how do we use it in the programming. So here in this program we are just trying to check whether a number is positive or not. So first I'm assigning one variable num with the value 3, and here I'm checking. So if the number value num is greater than 0, the syntax is to be written like this: with the if keyword, variable is to be compared with the 0 value using the greater than operator. Then a colon is used. Then here I'm just trying to print one text message um, that the num is a positive number, and this is always printed. And in the next case, if num -1, so in this case for -1 is to be checked with 0 whether it's greater than 0 or not. So if it's greater, if the condition will be true, then we need to print the statements beneath it. So let me run the code and let's see what output are we getting. So here first num equals to 3, so 3 greater than 0, that's why it's printing 3 is a positive number. As this condition is true, we are just executing these two statements, that's all. Now in the next case, we are checking whether -1 is greater than 0 or not. As it's not true, so these two statements are not going to be executed. So this is the basic syntax of the if statement. Let's see the IfElse statement now. So here as opposed to if statement, the syntax is a little bit twisted. So here in this program we are just checking again a number is given number is positive or negative, and it should display one appropriate message. So first num is assigned with 3, and then I'm just trying to assign -5 to num and 0 to num. So the current value is num is 0. So let me run the code and let's see what output are we having. So as the num value is 0, so it's greater than or equals to 0. So in this operator greater than or equal to, we just check whether the num is greater than 0 or equals to 0. So as the num value is 0 here, so 0 is equals to 0, that's why the condition is true. If the condition is true, then this text message is printed, which you see it here. So let me try one thing here. Let's say suppose I will change this to -1. So now let's see what happens. So the -1, which it changed the modified value of num, that is to be checked with greater than or equals to 0. So -1 is neither greater than or not equals to 0. So that's why it's just printing the negative number. So that's all about the if and IfElse statement.